Hello, so today we're going to be looking at some exponent rules. First one we want to look at is if we have a to some other number m times a to another random number n. This is equal to a to the m plus n. So how do we know this? If we have something like, say, 2 to the 5 times 2 to the 3, we can expand out both these terms, right? So 2 to the 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 times, and then 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. So in total, because you can multiply in whatever order you want, we have 5 2's here times 3 2's there. So then this is all just the same as 2 to the 8, which we can also get from this formula. Right? 2 to the 5 times 2 to the 3 equals 2 to the 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, the next exponent rule is a to the m over a to the n, which is equal to a to the m minus n. Once again, though, how do we know this is true? So if we look at, let's use the exact same numbers just so it stays consistent. 2 to the 5 over 2 to the 3. We can expand all out again, just like before. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 over 2 times 2 times 2. When we're looking at this fraction, right, we know that we can cancel things out, right? 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So all that we have left is just these last two. So 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 squared, which once again, from the formula, 2 to the 5 over 2 to the 3 is equal to 2 to the 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2 squared. The last one is a to the m all to the n, right? This is equal to a to the m times n. Let's do another example. If we have 2 to the 5 all cubed, that's the same as having 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 cubed, right? Which is the same as having 2 times 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 2, and then one more time right here at the end. And once again, since multiplication, you can do it in any order you want, and everything here is multiplying, and we have 15 2's, that means this is just equal to 2 to the 15, which, following the formula, right, we're saying that if we have 5 and 3 here, we can just have 2 to the 5 times 3, which is equal to 2 to the 15. Now, an important note to remember, if you have some variable to something times a different variable to something else, you can't do these rules. It has to have the same number on the bottom, like your base has to be the same no matter what. And also, if you have a to the m plus a to the n, or a to the m minus a to the n, there's no rules that you can use for this. Like, you can possibly factor and stuff like that, but there's no real rule to instantly simplify these kinds of things. It has to be multiplication, division, or like an exponent to an exponent. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.